Are you planning on transferring?
Yes, what about you?
Yeah, I think so.
Where do you want to go?
I was thinking either CSULA or UCLA.
Those are great schools.
Where do you want to transfer to?
I'm not really sure yet.
You still have time to figure it out.
That's true.
Hopefully, you'll figure it out pretty soon.
I will. Good luck with CSULA and UCLA.
Do you plan on transferring schools?
I want to, do you?
I'm thinking about it.
Where do you want to transfer to?
I want to go to CSULA or UCLA.
Those are pretty good schools.
Where are you planning on transferring to?
I haven't thought about it yet.
At least you still have time to think about it.
I know.
I hope that you figure it out.
I'll think of something.